Hello everyone. Today we're doing percentage of a number. Now, what sort of place would you hear this sort of thing? Well, what if you all went to a concert and half of you had to stand in the rain? We might say 50% of the people at the concert got wet. So something like 50% of people got wet. Okay, so what sort of question might that sort of transfer to in maths? Well, it would go something like this. Find 50% of, so how many people were at the concert? Let's say there were 3,000. So what's 50% of 3,000? Now you can do this in your head, and I hope you do, but the way to do it, if it was any percentage, is you think, well, 50%, what does that mean? 50 out of 100. That's what percent means. Look over here, percent. Here's the percent symbol. You can see it's made with a 1, 0, 0. Okay, that's out of 100. So just remember that percent means out of 100. So 50%, and what is of in maths? It is times 3,000. That's how many people went to the concert. Now, you know that means half. You can work out half of 3,000 in your head, and you can get 1,500 people. But if it was something trickier, you can put 50 over 100 times 3,000 on your calculator. Okay, well, what about another situation I might be able to talk about? What if I was asking everyone in the class how many people have a pet fish, and I worked out that 10% of the class have a pet fish. So what's the question I wanted to know? I want to know 10% of the class. So how many is in the class? Let's say there's 20 in the class, make things nice and easy, have a pet fish. How many people have a pet fish? Well, 10% is probably, again, something you can do in your head like 50%, but if you can't, 10% means 10 out of 100, of means times, and 20 is the number of people in the class. So 10 out of 100 times 20. Now, hopefully you do know that 10% of 20 is 2. So what if we had to do something like 20%? Let's say 20% of 120. Now, again, we can follow the process, or you can use this idea, can you get 10% of 120 easily? Well, 10%, you just have to divide by 10, you get 12. So 20% would be 2 10%, which would be 2 12s, which is 24. But if it wasn't something nice and straightforward like that, you'd go 20% means 20 out of 100, of means times 120, that's what we want to find the percentage of, and you can use your calculator and you would get 24. But hopefully you can do it in your head. Okay, one last one. What if we're talking about a discount of 35% on clothing? So let's work out the discount. So it's 35% of whatever you're looking to buy. Say you're going to buy a pair of $80 jeans. So the discount is 35% of 80. Now, again, some of you may still be tricky enough to do this in your head, but if you're not, 35 over 100, because it's 35%, 35 out of 100, times, because of means times 80, and you can put that into your calculator if you can't do it in your head, and you get $28. Now that's the discount. Is that how much you actually buy them for? No. You actually buy them for the sale price. And the sale price is the $80 minus the discount. So 80 minus 28 is 52. So a significant amount.